Dry-aged beef? Hi everybody, so I bought some dry-aged beef at Food Bazaar. I've always found it a little intimidating. Once I started reading about it, maybe we should try it. We're here with Junior, the meat manager at Long Island City Food Bazaar. What are you doing right now?
Preparing the aged beef.
And how long is that going to sit in there?
30 to 45 days.
Some people buy meat sooner.
After 7 days, they
After 7 days, they're ready to try
What,
it. We want to try something older though.
over here.
Ooh, let's take a look at this. Oh, that's amazing.
406.
What do you have to do? Do you have to trim this for us?
Yep.
Okay, this is already between that 30 and 45 day mark. They call that the sweet spot of aging.
Yeah.
So the flavors get more complex. The water's sort of out of the meat. It's like a special refrigerator for just dry aged beef. After you trimmed it, it looks like a normal steak, but less
Very
water,
soft.
right? Very soft.
Yeah.
Where's something to cook? Hey, I cook good, okay? I wanted you to see the difference between the two pieces. This piece is only about 2 weeks dry aged, and this was between 30 to 45 days dry aged. You could definitely see it's less red, the one that's aged more. You can see more moisture. They're actually two different cuts as well. This is a ribeye, and this is a New York strip. What I was gonna do is I'm gonna pan fry and finish cooking in the oven one of these, and I've been letting this sit out for about 30 minutes just to get to room temperature, and I've got my cast iron skillet warming up, so let's get this guy ready. So I put some pepper and salt on both sides, and I'm putting this into my cast iron skillet. Just for 2.5 minutes on the pan. Just flipped it after 2.5 minutes. Look at that. That beautiful steak cooking. Now I'm going to take it out. I actually left it for 3 minutes since it was at 450. Then I'm going to take it out and let it rest. I have to say the hardest part about cooking this dry-aged steak is resisting the temptation to pick at it. It says you should let steak rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes.
2,000 years later.
So those literally were the longest 10 minutes ever. Okay, so I just wanted you to see what the inside looked like. Pretty nice. This is the best part. Okay, so I cut a piece. Look at this beautiful piece of meat. So good. Happy dance. It's like restaurant quality meat. And you saw how easy it was to do. I taste a little bit of that blue cheese tone. I love blue cheese. The fat has a little bit of that. Really good. All right, so this was amazing. Food Bazaar has excellent dry-aged beef. I'll do another experiment comparing some other pieces, but I need to eat this because I'm really hungry and this is delicious. So take a look. Beautiful. Bye.